All right, good morning and welcome back to Intro to Statistics. We are still in section 7.1. We have quite a ways to go. We're still working on standard normal distribution, and we are trying to figure out areas beneath the areas of the curve here. So again, we're going to let the calculator do most of the heavy lifting on this. So I know the section goes a lot into the tables and how to read them. We are not worrying about the tables. I'm not going to give you a table for your quiz. We're going to be using the calculators to do all of those things. Okay, that was a decision made several years ago. Okay, so according to the TI 84 plus, you can use 83, that's fine. Find the area under the standard curve to the right of the following z values. Round the answers to the nearest thing. I like to draw these. You don't have to. Okay, I just like to draw them because it kind of keeps me centered as to what am I looking for and where am I going with this. So find the area under the curve to the right of 0.89. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and draw our, this is always 0, okay, and we have our normal distribution. Here is 0.89, and we want to the right of this. So we want this area here. So we're going to go from 0.89, that's our low value, all the way up to positive infinity. And when I say positive infinity, I just mean a big number in comparison to 0, 1, 2, or 3. 100 is a good big number. So we're going to do norm CDF. Our low number is going to be 0.89 because that's where we're starting. And then we just want a number that's big in comparison. I'll pick 100. If you want to pick 1,000, that's fine. Your book is going to do 1E99. That's one with the 99 zeros next to it. That's you could do that. That's fine. Somewhere in the 20th decimal place, it might matter. Mean standard deviation. Okay, that's what the next ones are. And all we're going to do is punch this into the calculator. Okay, so we're just going to hit clear here. So distribution, we want, oh no, we don't want that. We want distribution. I want norm CDF. Okay, and we're going to go from 0.89. So 0.89 is my low number. What's my high number? I said that was going to be 100. And then mean is 0, standard deviation is 1. Okay, enter. And there we are. 0.81867. Looks like 0.1867. Okay, 0.1867. So there we are. That's our 0.1867. Okay. So that's all we have to do for this thing. Again, the calculator is doing all the heavy lifting. This has to be a little bit harder. All right. Check. Yay, we got the green dot. Let's move ahead. And now we went to the right of negative 1.8. Okay. So all we're going to do here, negative 1.8 is right here. They went to the right of this. They want all of this here. So negative 1.8 is our low number. And then infinity is our high number. So pick a big number in comparison to like -2, -1, -3. Again, I'll pick 100. So we have norm CDF. This used to be the work. Okay, again, I don't have an issue with not throwing work on Alex test. That's fine. Okay, we want our low number, negative 1.8. Our high number, we'll call it 100, 0, 1. And then we're good. Okay. So, like the function distributions, go to norm CDF. And again, I know that I'm doing them and it's okay, but I urge you to practice this. Okay. I have a friend, we used to go to a gymnastics gym together, and she was quite talented at that. So I could watch her do a cartwheel on the balance beam. I could watch her do this for days at a time. Okay, if I tried to do a cartwheel on a balance beam, I'll tell you what's going to happen. Okay, I don't like that. I think this should be a bigger area. I'm going to double check this. I can tell you what happened though. I would break my neck. So just because you watch somebody do it doesn't really mean that you have the ability to do it. You have to practice this on your own. I do these videos and show you the problems, because I know Alex can be a little bit cumbersome to kind of figure out. And hopefully, if you're just using these to like listen to me or listen to something as you're doing your homework and it's just keeping you company as you're doing it, that's fine. That's the intended job. Okay. 964. We'll carry the 1. Okay, we'll make that 6. We'll round this 0 up to a 1, so 0.9641. Okay, and that's all you really have to do with this. But it does have to come out of your pencil. It does have to come out of your mouse. Okay, 0.9641. And again, I urge you to practice with the calculator you're going to use for the quiz. Okay, so check, we got a green dot. Looks like we're good. I'll wrap this guy up and we'll go on to the next one. Okay, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.